Hi, my name is Jared, and I'm a licensed realtor and real estate investor here in Gainesville, Florida. And I'm here to talk to you about sellmyhousefl.com. Basically, this is an option to sell your house that's different from the traditional way of selling your house by listing it on the MLS with a licensed realtor. Basically, I saw that there was a need for people that really wanted to not have to deal with the uncertainty of how long it would take to sell their house, as well as just the inconvenience of going through the process of listing it and then going through the inspection period and all the different things that can come up. And so there's a lot of people that feel that they just really want to know exactly what they're going to get, and they want to know exactly when they're going to be able to sell and close. And so that's what this option is. It's a way for you to be able to decide when, like, what the closing date will be, when it will be. And regardless of the condition of your property, whether it needs a lot of repairs, it's in really poor condition, that's okay. That's part of what we as investors do. So if this is something that you might want to learn a little bit more about or talk about your current situation, regardless of whether you're a landlord and you don't want to be a landlord anymore, so you want to sell the property and liquidate, or you inherited a property, or whatever the case is, feel free to give us a call and talk to us about your situation. Even if it's not a good fit to work with us, we're happy to help and point in the right direction. And so, yeah, thanks so much for learning a little bit about us. Give us a call, or you can just visit our website, complete the form, and we're happy to reach back out to you. Whatever's easier for you. Again, the website's sellmyhousefl.com, and thanks again.